Good day, everyone. You are welcome to another segment of our class. So today we want to discuss and explain some examples here, how you can easily write the chemical formulae of some inorganic compounds. So with me here, I have 5 examples which we are going to be talking about. So majority of students find this very difficult to write the chemical formula of a particular inorganic compound given to them. So you get to realize that many of them seriously have problems. You will not know that until you get to interact with the chemistry student one-on-one, and even some undergraduate student as well. You give them name of a particular chemical compound to write the formula, it becomes a problem. So in this tutorial class, I want to briefly explain to us the simpler way of writing these compounds without you consulting your textbooks or the internet. Okay, the only thing you need to do is to master the simple ions and the radicals that we have. So in this case, if you take a look at number 1, sodium carbonate. Now we already know that sodium ion in its atomic form, that is the ionic form of sodium ion, is Na+. Okay, that is for sodium. Then you have carbonate. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. Are we together? So in this case, by the time these two combine together, so sodium have valency of 1, then carbonate ion have valency of 2. So sodium will take this valency, then it becomes Na2. Then since sodium ion is having valency of 1, so the whole carbon and oxygen will take 1 as it is. So you now write CO3 1. Okay, had it been the number is more than 1, we'll put 2 here. Okay, but since it is not more than 1, we just leave it like this. Is that okay? So you don't need to indicate by putting the 1 there. So you write the correct formula for sodium carbonate. Then come to magnesium sulfate. Magnesium in its ionic form is written as Mg2+. Then you now have sulfate. Sulfate ion is written as SO4, okay, 2 minus. So by the time you interchange their valencies, you get to realize that we have -2 plus 2. So in this case, this will cancel this one. So in this case, we have MgSO4. Is that taken? That is for magnesium sulfate. Then come to calcium hydroxide. Calcium ion is written as Ca2+. Then you have plus hydroxide ion is OH-. So in this regard, you get to realize that we have 2 here as our valency, and then we have 1 here as valency. So hydroxide will take valency of 1, 2. Calcium will take valency of 1. So you have Ca, you open bracket this time around since you are having more than 1. So you have OH, then you write the 2 here. So this 2 is from the calcium, okay? While there's supposed to be 1 here, but you will not write it. So which is the one coming from this OH minus. Are we together? So you have calcium hydroxide. Then the other one is copper 2 sulfate. Copper 2 sulfate is Cu2+, okay? Then plus sulfate ion is SO4, okay, 2 minus. So in this case, since we have equal numbers, so they will cancel out. So this implies that we have Cu, okay, S So this is copper 2 sulfate. Are we together? Then finally, we have calcium bromide. Calcium is Ca2 plus. Then bromide ion is Br minus. Okay? So at the end, this implies that we have bromine will take the valency here of 2, then calcium will take the valency here of 1. When we say valency, we're talking about the combining powers of these atoms present in their ionic forms. Then here we have CaBr2. So this is calcium bromide. So I want to strongly believe that you've understood this short explanation of ours in this very particular tutorial video. So try as much as possible to 1. Master all your ions. Know your ions very well. That is, we're talking of the simple ions and the radicals. Know the metallic ions, know the non-metallic ions, and know all your radicals. That is the easiest way of what? Tackling this problem of not writing chemical compounds correctly, especially inorganic compounds.